press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello guys, welcome to the Bollywood Talk Show on IWM Buzz. This is your host and host Shubhajit Ghosh, and today I have with me the tigress of Bollywood. She's not afraid about anything. इनको थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता, इनको किसी भी चीज़ से डर नहीं लगता. She's right now back with a bang in Dabangg 3. It's a pleasure having you over here, ma'am, on the show. Thank you so much.
I'm not the tigress though, I'm the Dabangg girl.
Ma'am, we feel that you're the tigress. Yes, ma'am, you know, in 2010, you know, I mean, are you getting that nostalgia vibe that, you know, this is the third time you're coming up with this movie? 2010 you came. It was such a big, you know, movie and changed your life.
Yeah, it
So
actually did. I think it's going back to Dabangg is always like homecoming for me.
Yeah.
And you know, working with the same crew, the team, the cast, and it's just like working with your family. So it's an amazing feeling.
What's the best thing that you like about working with Salman sir?
Just the fact that the set is very, very chilled out when he's around.
And tell us a bit about the new entrant in the movie.
Sai,
Yes,
she's
how was the
lovely. I
experience?
think what my debut was in 2010. I hope that she has. I know that she will also have the most amazing debut. I think you know, Dabangg is the best film to start off with, first of all, and you know, from what it was in 2010 to now, what it's become, the kind of you know, the way people are waiting for the film, the excitement and all. I think it's going to be a fantastic launch for her.
Absolutely. And ma'am, I think in 2010 IFA, you had traveled with Salman sir, and since then you became absolutely huge. And Sai also came to IFA this time.
Oh yeah, I was unveiled at the IFA in Sri Lanka.
So has she like come up to you and, you know, asked for certain tips or regarding how to go about in the industry now that she's making a debut?
I think, you know, she's such a fine, talented and smart girl and so well spoken. She doesn't need any tips from me. In fact, the first day when we were starting interviews, she came up to me and she said, "Give me tips." I was like, "You don't need tips, you can give me tips." So really, she's very well prepared, and I wish her all the very best.
The songs of the movie, they are like really amazing. Which is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Habibi Ke Nain.
Habibi Ke Nain. And there's that You Karke wala song.
You Karke.
Can you do that thing, ma'am? वो जो सलमान सर
वो तो मुंबई में हर कोई
मुंबई में हर किसी को आता है. Perfect. Ma'am, right now we are going to be playing a Salman sir quiz. Okay, it's basically about Salman sir. Very easy questions.
Okay.
Yeah.
I hope so.
It is. So the first question is, Salman sir played the character of Love Guru in which movie?
That Partner.
Partner, perfect. In 2004, Salman sir was ranked. What was Salman sir's rank in terms of the best, you know, the most good-looking man in the world as per People's Magazine of USA?
I know 2004 का People magazine में what rank. मुझे अपने स्कूल का रैंक नहीं पता खुद अब तक आज तक, तो मतलब I'll keep his rank in People magazine.
7. Okay. So what was Salman sir's screen name in Tere Naam? Radhe Mohan, right? Perfect. Yeah. What was Salman sir's name in Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam?
Was it Prem?
No.
No.
Another very popular name, screen name of Salman sir.
Raj?
No.
I don't know.
It's Sameer.
Yes. Hawa Ka Jhoka. Yes. Okay. How could I forget?
And this is very easy. Salman sir was born in which city?
Indore.
Perfect.
That.
Yeah. And in which year did Salman sir make his debut?
1988.
Perfect. Name of the movie, Bivi Ho To Aise. Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And as far as the entire experience of Dabangg is concerned, I mean, every time you come into the movie, every time there's a huge, you know, set of anticipation when the people are seeing the trailer is getting bigger and bigger every time. So, what do you want to say to the people who are having massive expectations from the movie, from your character and also the film in general?
Just that they won't be disappointed. I think you know, with every part that we make, we always try to give the audience something new, something exciting, and with this one also we have tried to do that, and which is why we're showing you the prequel, how Chulbul became Chulbul Pandey, and I think they'll love it.
Yeah. It's a pleasure talking to you, ma'am, and I wish you all the best for the movie. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure, ma'am. That's a wrap today at IWM Buzz. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.
Hi, this is Sonakshi Sinha and you're watching me on IWM Buzz.